Welcome back. Today, we're going to gently clear away stubborn blackheads, even from the delicate folds behind the ear. Just relax, and let's begin. Listen closely, a soft press, and there it is, a tiny blackhead, gone in seconds. We move slowly, sweeping the skin clean with gentle strokes. Every pore we free is one step closer to silky smooth skin. Now, we glide to the face, starting near the nose, where the pores are just a little tighter. A careful squeeze followed by a soft white, and the skin breathes again. You might almost feel that satisfying release yourself. Each movement is delicate, controlled, no rush. Just the quiet rhythm of extraction, followed by the whisper of cotton against the skin. Look closely, the texture is already changing. Smoother, clearer, calmer. And we're done. Fresh, clean, renewed. Thank you for watching, and remember, your skin deserves this kind of care.